Here we are on Saturday. I don't know if you can see those very good, but we had the freezing rain the other day, and of course now the icicles are hanging from the trees, which I think is cool. There are 4 of them up here. They're all together in a row. Too close. This is... yeah, it was too... There's one there. There's 2 right there. 2 icicles from the freezing rain, which I think look cool. Part of nature. And there is a whole line of them right there too. Still don't know how good you can see these. There's one big one right there. And then there's 3 actually, 3 right there. This is a close-up, and there's the other 2. From the freezing rain we got the other night. Sorry for making anybody sick. There are tons of geese flying north out here. Keep trying to record them. Tripped going up there, so sorry about that. I'm glad YouTube can fix a lot of these jumps when you edit them. Anyway, it's still starting to snow again too. Anyway, I will let you go. I'm going to try to record those ducks. I don't know if you could hear them in the background. I'll shut up. Here I go, walking up my porch chairs. Just lay down there, little sturzies. There's the cellular tower. Tower, Frankfurt water tower, to keep up the water pressure. Anyway, I will keep trying. I'm going to let you go now in case the ducks go by north and I record them. Talk to you later.